Nick Horning.
Matt, you need to go out and buy yourself a Cannondale Super 6 Evo Black Ink.
I was so close from buying that thing.
The $12,000 bike.
No, it was down to 800. He marked it down like $400.
800?
Yeah, remember when we went?
No, that's not a Super 6 Evo
Oh.
Black Ink. That's like $12,000.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure he doesn't let you ride it, right?
I mean, if you got good credit.
That year's gone. Is Matt gonna ride with us, or?
Right behind him.
I mean, when we book it. I guess not, right?
Well, we're the only ones who really can.
Oh, that bike is shit? Fuck. Alright.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Gonna get the Apple Pay. It's raining. Car coming.
Who cares, bro?
Hey man, see, we were allowed in here at night.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, cause
I mean, as long as the campground is open, I don't see why the fuck not.
oh my god, my brake performance. Okay. Gotta get the Apple Pay. Apple Pay now, gonna get paid, get laid now.
I can't even see.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Because I used to ride in the rain, man. And going home from work, it's impossible. And then on top of that, your brakes are screwed. That's alright. We'll make it through, chat.
Yeah, Drew, why don't you get up in front of me because this dude
What's up?
won't be able to see you.
No, I'm good.
You don't have your tail light.
No, I'm good. I'm right behind you.
Matt, get out of the road!
I like how he stopped. He was like, nah, screw the brakes. I'm just gonna put my feet out. Gotta get the Apple Pay. Yeah, man, my red taillight broke. It doesn't.
Where is Beauty? Is he ahead?
Yeah, he's gone. Nick, we gotta fix your iMac.
You got a what?
You still have that iMac, right?
Yes, I do.
We gotta fix that thing, man.
What is it?
He found an iMac on the side of the road. Yeah, just a full brand new iMac, basically.
And a box or?
No, right?
No,
No,
no box, but it boots up.
The hard drive failed, so he didn't want to pay $300 to get it fixed. So he said, "Fuck it, I'll buy a new one."
Whatever money I make off that computer, I'll give to you.
Well, we have to fix it first, so we have to see where.
So this way you could stay here
No,
for a little bit longer.
I might stay on the island. It's just I got to figure out where I'm moving. I don't even know where I'm moving to. I haven't figured that out yet. But 200% we're selling the house. Like it's guaranteed we're selling the house.
You could. I have 3 spare bedrooms.
I'd have to pay rent,
Okay, do the dishes.
and I'm a very clean house guest.
Yeah,
I'm
do the
invisible.
fucking dishes.
Apple Pay now, gonna
Where's
get
that
paid.
fucking guinea? Where the hell did he ride off to?
Apple Pay now, gonna get paid. Gotta get the Apple Pay.
I don't know where he went. He went to the right? This way. Matt, this way.
Matt over here to the left. Yeah, we think he probably came back the way we came. All right, I'm gonna turn this off just so I save it.
I don't know where he went. That stupid Diddy Joe fucking...
There he is. I see him.
Oh, there he
There's
is.
this light. Unless that's an alien.
Wow,
Unless that's an alien trying to be disguised as Anthony Algieri.
that fucking Diddy idiot. I'll call him Diddy.
Bro, I can't wait for it to like rain on Hardus. Is that even English? Probably not. Rain on Hardus. Rain on us harder is what I wanted to say. Nick. Matt Kelly. Matt Kelly, make a right. Make a right. Make a right. Make a right, Matt Kelly. Bernie Sanders. See, he has the ability to go fast in rain. We don't. He has the ability to go fast in rain and be really stable. We don't. Bro, you know how easy it is to slip? And just like that, the humidity drops.
Hey, yo! Hey, you do? Hey, Mr. C! What do you do?
Mr. C? No, it's Mr. A.
C.
Mr. A.
I gotta go to a dance competition for my...
Oh, here it comes.
Matt Paul.
No, man, this is cool.
Yeah,
Rain is cool, man.
Matt causes rain.
It's his beard, man.
His beard. Matt's beard causes rain. Shut up!
Yeah, we are having a good time. I am. Drew, nobody loves you.
We should go to Adams right now. You guys need some towels?
That's what he's gonna say.
Or something? Here's one towel. Split it.
Yeah, he's gonna have us like he's gonna have his scissor and stuff, cutting it into fours.
Buy these.
Like by the time we've done that, we could just use like some paper towels or something like that.
Where's the blow dryer? 4 blow dryers. 1 towel. Oh yeah.
Did you know you could balance an egg on the summer solstice? Looks like you missed your chance.
You know if you could balance an egg on the tip of my penis, chances are you're a faggot?
Yep, probably. I saw a deer here once. He was so cute. He's so handsome.
Alright, so we gotta go our route so this way make it a nice even 10.
That was cool. There's water on my lens. Yeah, I know. There's all. Okay. Hi, Al. What's up, man?
So let's get this bread, yo.
Let's get this bread.
Let's get this fucking bread, man. Where are you going? Which way? Left. I wanna go home. Left.
We're making our way back anyway. I want to go home too. Bro, this is so slick. Dude, I can see your reflection in the street. We need radios. We need overcoms, man. Whoop. That's a lot of water.
Yeah, I just soaked my shit.
Yeah, me too. Just like that, man. Long Island rain. It's like this, it's been like this for the past 3 days.
It's been like this
It
for
just-
like the past 2 months.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, banging fucking humidity. Ow, this way, make the
And then the
left.
humidity's gone.
I'll be good.
It's still humid, but it's so much less dry. Hey, it's Nick, man. He's the one who. We'll probably just disperse. Me and you just go home.
Good? Yeah, you done?
I mean, yeah. Alright, hang on. Alright, chat, we're leaving.
Trees all over the place. I can't imagine. What was it? It's south side of Main Street, that all like Rich area over there. That's all woods. We had that storm a little whiles back. It was like that mini tornado that we had.
Yeah.
There was. I showed you the video. Me and Alyssa couldn't even leave like the blocks over there. We had to go down like 6 blocks to find like one block that wasn't like completely blocked.
Yeah, you can see the emergency lights in the clouds.
We didn't lose too many trees.
It's
Oh,
pulsing
yeah.
too, so it's not like it's.
Wow. I hear some guy with a saw.
Chainsaw, yeah.
Alright, who wants to go for a
There's
ride?
tree.
Where are we riding?
I don't know.
Somewhere?
Good peek.
Content? In content? Alright, content. Is Black coming?
Kiwa, go inside. Kiwa, come inside.
You have to go say, come on,
Come here, It.
Kiwa, with a really high voice.
Here.
She wants to come with us.
Say, come on. There you go.
Aww. Bye, Kiwa.
Aw,
He's a little like a gazelle.
she is. She's a deer.
Hi, Anj.
Hi, Drew.
Hi, Anj. You're such a good brother. Richard would still bitch you. I'd be like, Kevin, you're such a bitch.
Go left.
Oh, I'm going right.
Oh, you're going right.
Yeah, I mean, it's blocked off. They're not going to let you go through.
Wow. Yeah, if it gets bad, just turn around.
Don't be a pussy. Just drive through it. This is what I did.
Oh,
Dude, look at this tree.
No!
Rip.
Oh no. Someone's gonna whack that, you know it, right? See, if you want to turn around, you can.
No, don't turn around. We're going to defeat the Leviathan.
Honestly, I need content.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it's all about. Yeah, it's set up flares. Oh my god, look at the tree. Dude, all the wires are down.
This is where it blew up.
Is it?
Okay, look. See?
Oh yeah, all the wires on
live
the floor.
wires. Yeah. See?
It's good content.
Content. See?
Send us the mat. It's like when I had that big power outage.
Yeah.
That's how it feels right now. You can head that way on Colmac. Or if you want to wrap around to see what's going on over there.
Like 7-Eleven power is out, but Main Street had power last time.
Go down. Which way? You want to go
Make a
down
left.
Spur Drive or?
Make a left.
No, go down Colmac.
Bro, imagine that tree branch hit your car.
I don't think I think it's very likely someone's gonna drive right by and not even notice that thing on the floor.
No, imagine like it hit your car like while you're driving. Like you probably
This
like.
person.
Oh no. Oh no, this is not bad.
Oh, their fence.
No, that's not bad.
He just popped up back here.
Yeah.
Pop those bad boys
It's
back in.
final siding, bro. Microplastics. Dude, my hand hurts really bad, Stu.
From what?
From smashing my desk because I got pissed off at them because they didn't answer the door twice.
Stu?
Yeah, I went
Yeah.
Navvies.
Oh, okay. I heard you and Tori. I'm like, yikes.
Mm-hmm.
I heard you and Tori.
Yeah, she fucking yelling at me, telling me what to do. Like, hurry up, what are you doing? I was like, I'm getting my bike inside. Like, chill out. Like, it's.
Yeah, because we witnessed fucking 3 Transformers explode, and we're like, Drew, what are you doing? Why are you assembling your metal bike?
Yeah, it was, I gotta get back in the. I gotta get it back in the garage. I'm not gonna leave it in my car. It was not even raining. It was fine. Don't
You were
yell
at
at.
Hector?
Yeah, I went to Hector with Nick and Algerian Matt.
Yeah, my mom calls me. She was like, you would think to call me. I'm like, I'm hanging out.
I'm chilling.
She was like, yeah, we're all drinking at the hut. And then it just starts to downpour and
Oh,
thunder.
wow.
Oh, jeez.
I gotta roll it down the window for content. I think I got it.
Watch out for the huge, like I said, usually up here that house floods.
Yeah.
When they had that cute little dog.
Yeah.
The little handsome doggy.
Front of the school's looking good, actually.
School, yeah, they lost a tree branch right there. Again, that's the same tree. Oh my god, look at this.
Wow.
Oh,
I don't
There's a wire right above it.
Firefighters already, yeah.
Wow, this is drained.
Wow, yeah, I'm pretty surprised. Well, the rain didn't last too long, you know?
It was mainly windy.
Really not too much going on.
You go to the gym today, Kev?
Yeah, I did. It was pretty late, too. Went at like 4, I think. Around there. office is working right now. I texted
Cool.
her. I was like, "Where the fuck did your top just go?" There it is. Yeah, watch our people fucking whipping this corner.
There's not just no branches down.
Right.
Just run over it. Where to?
Go down the steps. Live it on Main Street. Watch it. These lights are out. Make sure no one fucking
Yeah,
whacks
watch it,
you,
watch it.
dude. Pretty good. Wow, all the lights are out.
Always on
Jeez.
my
Oh yeah, lights are out. So it becomes a stop sign.
Yeah.
True facts.
Monk S.
Oh wow, that's a lot of smoke.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a house on
That's
fire.
cheese.
No, just a flare.
No,
No, that's not a flare. Is that a flare?
Oh no, that's definitely something on fire.
That's not a flare.
That's a transformer fell and it's on fire.
Oh yeah.
That's incredible.
Listen,
Yeah, let's-
turn off the radio. Shh.
Wow.
That's a lot
There's
more.
nothing they can do about it, right? They got.
You have to turn off the power.
Yeah, you gotta contact Wi-Fi.
Jeez, I hope everyone's alright though.
That's wild. Oh,
The elementary school has a whole bunch of cars in front of it. Something's going on.
What elementary school?
To the left, by Party City.
Oh, okay.
This is closed off.
Oh, it's
closed off, yeah.
Maybe the light, because of the light. Let's go all the way down and see what. Is that, no, it's on the left side of the road.
It just smells, bro.
Yeah.
Wow, it smells disgusting actually. I think it's because of the train. You can go around that. Oh, it's the wire. There's a live wire right
Yo,
there.
be careful, Stu.
Yeah, I'm going in here and turning around.
Is there another way to get to Main Street? Maybe go
You
towards
could
the.
cut this way. This is probably closed off. You know what? Let me actually try to get it.
It may be closed off because that.
Try to get a.
It's gonna be closed off. If you want to get a better view, that's fine.
Yeah, I'll
But
try.
it's probably gonna be closed off. I'm zoomed in too much.
I'm gonna call my grandparents, make sure everything's alright. I heard my mom couldn't get in touch with them.
Go this way.
Why is that stop sign? Yeah,
Black
that's
and white?
not okay. That actually is not okay.
And is on my team. And you know we're always
This light's working.
This is very, I don't know, very cool.
Erie,
It's very, trying to think of a game that this reminds me of.
Silent Hill.
Salmonella Fitzgerald.
What the fuck did you just say?
Salmonella Fitzgerald.
What's that?
That's from Kids Next Door, bro. You don't remember that?
Oh, no, I don't.
Salmonella
What, the
Fitzgerald.
game?
No, the TV show.
No,
Where'd
I
this
know
guy
it's a
go?
TV show.
He's like, I gotta go
He's
save the
gonna go down
planet.
this way.
Good.
I gotta
Just
go save the
wait. What is he
planet.
doing?
What?
Okay.
You pulling us over?
No.
What?
What's going on?
What are you doing, guy?
I think. Oh, he's on the phone. He's seeing where he has to go next,
Oh.
probably.
He's like, I gotta call. I gotta go put out the fire.
Oh, he probably saw the tree down here. He's probably pulling it in or something.
Yeah. I'm not sure. I thought he wanted to take a left to the live
Yeah.
wire.
This is good content.
Everyone's out right now. Jeez.
Yeah, this is good
All the
content.
cops. Probably to make a. Yeah,
Here's a tree that's
we're gonna
down,
do
right?
all
This
the way-
one? Yeah, that's
that's-
massive.
Blind from that car.
Global warming, man.
It's the global warming, I'm telling you.
Has this happened when we were kids? I don't think so.
Nothing like this.
Right?
Nothing
It's,
like
and it's
this.
just like
I
two
mean,
times in one
dude,
summer.
We used to have blizzards.
Yeah.
When was the last time we had a blizzard? That was like 4 years ago.
That's true. 2012, right?
Something like that.
I don't know, 2014? I don't even remember.
I remember it took me 3 hours to get to. We took the truck. It took us 3 hours to drop my mom off at work. It was like
Mhm.
6 a.m.
Yeah.
It was Stony Brook. And it was done. East Coast can be flooded anyway within 10 years. Whatever.
Doesn't matter.
I don't have time.
They're always on my team. Is that a light?
Yeah, it was just a bolt inside the trash can.
Yeah. I thought that was like a front light or
Yeah.
something. When we had the storm, like with Kerrigan and stuff, we walked this whole thing. I don't know if you were with us, Stu. This whole
Sandy?
road. This, no, it was like a one-time thing. The day that I had pictures with Kerrigan and the feet in the water.
Yeah, the tiptoeing in is Jordan.
Yeah, tiptoeing in with George. Yeah,
I
exactly.
remember walking around when Sandy finished.
Yeah, that was. Yeah, I have videos of that too.
Sandy
That was wild.
Yeah, Sandy was crazy.
I definitely have videos of
You
that.
you see the videos over by the boat, over by JJ's house?
No.
My dad had his fisherman boots on. It was up to their thighs.
Really?
And it was blocks. You know where that light is, where it just
Yeah.
gets you into all the side blocks.
Yeah.
The water started right there.
Holy crap,
crazy.
dude.
You had to go make sure everything was alright.
Yeah, that was not fun. A lot of people lost a lot of money and stuff. It was bad.
All the houses over there are now lifted
Yeah.
or completely taken down. There's like half a dozen houses there just down to just flatland.
Right. They're always on my team.
Do I dare go down Post Street?
If you want it.
Yeah.
Oh, they
I'm
able to get the
scared.
How does that phone call go on that guy that lives right outside that transformer that fell?
my house is almost on fire.
I think I'm tripping on acid.
What?
Because you just see all the fucking, like, the lights and the shit and the electricity coming off of it. Like, bro, I think I'm on acid.
Yeah.
What are in these cookies, Karen?
I'm not waiting for this light. Fuck that noise.
Karen's awesome, yo.
Bitch.
What the
I
fuck?
probably won't be able to get
Yeah, you're right.
Karen's awesome.
Oh, she's probably done.
She doesn't ever curse. I wish I could do that.
Look, it's still going.
That's probably the lights that we saw
It's
above
still-
your house.
no,
On the
that's,
clouds.
No, that's definitely the transformer.
that's the transformer.
Yeah, no, that's like I said.
Live wire.
Like I said, how the clouds above your house were lighting up.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
probably what it was.
Oh,
or
yeah.
what it is.
What do you do in that situation? Like,
You just stay inside.
dude, it's like the two
You
threads
make
are
sure it
just,
doesn't light your house on fire. I guess. I don't know.
the two.
You can't shoot water at it. You fucked.
Get a fire extinguisher. That
It's not,
still wouldn't even work.
It's not even on fire. It's just arcing. The
Yeah.
two wires are so close together, just arcing over. Like you have to move the wire out of the way.
You have to shut the power off.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
you gotta contact them.
Yeah, that's wild, dude.
I'm not even gonna go over there. I can't even see.
Dude, I'm gonna go over down there tomorrow and see the giant
Yeah.
black spot that
Yeah,
left.
literally.
I don't know what happened.
Did anyone get warnings for this?
No, we don't get. Well, the warnings are high humidity, and you just know it's just gonna come. I knew it was gonna rain today, like downpour again.
It was beautiful this morning.
It was so
There
humid
was
this
no
afternoon.
wind. It was humid as hell, though, like you said.
It was so humid this afternoon. That thing is still going off.
Wow.
That's not good.
Still working.
It's not
Yeah,
good,
it's still-
Smile. Wow. Your lights on? Oh, yeah, they are. You're good. I like it when there's no stoplights and like people could do like have freedom to do what they want.
Yeah, but Schmucko Ducko, Johnny coming home from work that's fucking pissed at his boss is gonna just go right through it. I don't want to happen. I hit into a fucking van filled with children.
I know what happened.
I didn't slow down. Brooke?
You wanna try it?
I'll try
Spooky.
it.
Try it.
Well, you'll try it.
Spooky.
I don't think we'll really get through, but try it.
What's down here? Anything?
I don't know. It's just a nasty road, you know, a bunch of trees. It goes through the woods.
Yeah, look, it's blocked off.
Where?
Oh yeah.
Look, I can't see the other side.
There's a tree like 30 feet in front of us.
I can't point to my fucking windshield wipers anymore.
It's not good, Smile. This is good content.
Oh yeah, there's trees off as hell.
Can you get by this?
Be careful, Stu. I'm hitting the floor. If anything starts
Oh
coming
wow,
down.
yeah. Look at that.
At Eastdale, you know.
Throw your brights on real fast so you can actually see it. You can go around.
Oh no. Yeah, that tree thankfully did not go into the house.
Oh, snapped in half.
Yeah, that didn't go into the house. That's good. That's some good content. Yeah, don't go down here.
I was gonna say, if you want to turn around,
Now it's gonna
if
turn
you
around.
want to turn around, you get a better view on it with your camera.
Yeah.
Stu puts his headlights on it.
Yeah, I'll put my brights on.
I'm gonna have to send this to David.
Who the fuck is David? South
David first. Yeah, South Fingers. He's always looking for new content.
New contact gang.
Yeah. I'm gonna send it to all my friends. Look at this thing, dude.
Wow.
That's wild.
This whole tree.
The wire. It's a whole entire thing of wires. Be careful, it's wires.
Oh wow, look, wires right here. Yeah.
Lick it, bro.
Sure, you're such a scum. Just lick it.
Just lick it.
I'll give you my whole bank account if you lick it.
Dude, I'm gonna die. It's not worth it.
But if it's a ground wire, then you'll be fine. It's a 50-50 chance.
50-50, just like the lottery.
Yeah, it's a ground wire. You're fine. There's no.
You either lose or you win. It's a 50-50. Like
Either
a
you
lot.
die or you stay alive.
So they win or you lose.
That's some content.
We're always on my team.
It's getting worse.
Oh, some good content.
Wish I could see. Anywhere else, boys? Taking recommendations.
Just park your car in there and just be like, hey, Jimmy, how's it going, Jimmy? Hey, man, we got some few good calls. We're doing some good out there. Act like you're a manager.
There's something actually wrong with you.
Hey, Bob, good to see you, man. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for volunteering. Hey, yeah, man, I just got back from Carlton Avenue. Yeah, man, it's, not too much stuff going on there, but that Transformer, man, oh man, dude, it's not good, Jimmy.
If I get pulled over for blowing a stop sign, I'm just gonna crash into this car.
What happened?
Just fucking floored.
Check down the block. Yeah, sure.
It's some good content. Looks like we didn't lose anything.
Right there.
Yeah,
They're
freeze
fucked.
down.
Oh, there are trees down, yeah.
It hit a wire. The wire was on the ground.
Rip.
I'm surprised actually I didn't see it. It's the wire cutting across. Oop,
Power
little
out.
surge. Watch the wires. Make sure you look at the wires when you see the post cutting
Yeah.
across.
Oh my God, Nancy's house.
Nancy's
No!
house.
Send the staff to Hunter.
Hold
Yeah,
up.
I'm
Is she
gonna-
home?
No, she's not. She doesn't live here anymore. Nancy.
Straight to Hunter. Wow.
Oh no, it's on the Beamer. No.
Wait, is it?
No, it's on the Beamer.
Oh,
Making you eat. I
no.
didn't see.
Look, the front of the tree's on the Beamer.
I hope Nancy's alright, dude.
Oh yeah.
Bro, she has the worst luck, man.
Jesus. You sent it to her?
Yeah.
Matt.
Matt, are you alright?
Matt. Matt, you're alright? Al.
Alright, it's starting up.
Jay, Ian, you guys alright? Christian. Nah, they're not alright. Nobody's responding to us. Everybody left us.
Oh, the wire is like down.
Yeah.
I almost hit it. Yeah.
Chart, you're on rubber. It's not gonna do anything.
Yeah.
You're on rubs.
Alright.
We're always on my team.
It's coming over, Kev. It's a little shorter distance to travel.
Yeah, I don't think I...
Thank Lord we have homeowners insurance.
Yo, mine now. Thank you for the fucking
That was good
shit.
content. I'm gonna have to upload this.
Thank you.